Perfect.
Fantastic.
Absolutely. Spot on.
I think it would be paid by now for all stuff, but
Yes, yeah, all done. Perfect. Perfect timing. This is mostly it's almost the same. See, like, yeah, that's my street, so.
That's the where it's Cameron place.
Did you order salt and vinegar thick cat and a coke?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, cool. So I'll be collecting that. That'll just be £4, please.
Okay.
By card. Do you have any cash by any chance? If not, it's fine. I'll go and get a card machine.
Get a card machine.
Yeah.
Sorry, I'm already.
No, it's fine. I'll quickly try and grab one. Do you know what the card machine is?
Yes, this is nice. This is this area here.
It's been a great tour.
Oh, I'm really glad you enjoyed it.
Yeah.
Do you want to try putting it in? Because we've been having issues with contactless, but maybe this way might work. Fingers crossed.
Well, this has been great tonight. I really enjoyed it. I really enjoyed it. Thank you very much.
Did it work?
Give me a second. So, it's been great. Thank you very much.
Brilliant.
Oh, thank you very
I'm
much.
glad to see you again.
Yeah. Just no connection. It's just connection, isn't it?
I know.
Very happy with you.
Yeah.
How was your first day?
Good, yeah, my knees are aching.
Yeah.
Not my feet, strangely.
I'm surprised, not
Just
your
press
ankles. No.
Yeah, press
Oh,
My
really?
knees, I don't know
So
why.
it didn't work.
Too much weight.
And you don't have any...
Too used to sitting
I'll get
down.
someone
It's
to
good
get
to
to
stand up.
the station.
Yes.
Pardon?
I'll get something to get to the station.
What I'll do is, I'll take a note of your seat number and everything,
Yeah.
and then you can pay. I'll send them like a bill, you can pay, and
So
they'll
when
send
will you
you
find out
it
about
to
the,
pay
Good
Good
directly
afternoon, ladies and
through
gentlemen.
St.
We
James,
are
okay?
on the approach to London
But
Victoria.
glad to see you again.
Yeah, I
Are
just
you coming in
want
anymore?
Please
trouble, that's
wait
trouble.
until
Pardon?
the doors due to
I don't want to get into trouble with that.
No, you didn't forget to pay, it's just been a situation, so this is not
I was
your
going to say, how
fault,
long
this
will you
is
have
not
to
mine,
wait to
it's
find
all
out
don't
whether
worry.
it's proper
Thank
food?
you.
Well, I've literally
I'll
just
just take it
left
back.
work.
Oh, you have? Okay.
It's probably going to be another few
Are you going to come in any more times?
because of all the stuff
I'm
that's
not. It's very slow.
Hope to see you
Best of
again.
luck with it.
sometime soon. We are just on the approach to London
All the
Victoria.
conveyancers are really busy because everyone started buying everything.
Yeah, that's right. All of
Because
a
of the
sudden.
stamp duty.
And the stamp duty, yeah. And after a long time when nothing was happening.
Yeah, it's weird, isn't it?
I know.
But,
I think it's a good time though, isn't
yeah.
it?
I did pay probably a bit too much for it, but then, that's how
It
it is at
swings
the
and roundabouts,
moment.
isn't it?
There was 11 people that viewed it
Oh, right.
in about 2 hours.
Oh gosh.
And we all had to put one offer in.
Yes.
The best offer. And
Yeah.
luckily, I kind of went way over
Yeah.
the asking price.
So almost like the Scottish system. Yeah.
So, yeah, I was lucky. But
Ah.
it's nice place.
I don't think my card machines are not even working.
No, I think they might have run out of steam.
Or speed, yeah. Sometimes it
joke
does
there.
happen, doesn't it?
Yeah, we'll sort it out, don't worry. Even if we take your number and
Main thing
Yeah.
I was hoping it would drive
contact you later.
As long as you don't block it, that's the trouble. Because you know, at one point there's also trouble blocking cars, there's also trouble.
Yeah. No, it
That's
won't.
the same
I think they
problem.
just run out of battery.
Yeah, I think that's it.
Look at that for timing.
Well, we did it well today, haven't we?
So where do you live? You get some good fitted.
Well, these are good only have everything with me today because I've got the brochure.
Oh, you're videoing? I
Yes,
see.
yeah, YouTube business, and got my power to go.
I'll leave it in
Well,
here,
after done this, I'm going home now because I only have a little time warm up to next.
Yeah.
That's what people do, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's always an important thing to do, isn't it?
It is.
And
Yeah, I've got my stuff. Here's my brochure. Here's my stuff. There we go. Put that.
Brilliant.
So yeah, that's it for me now. So I'm going home now. I need to find out what I'm up to next.
I just found another one. I just want to double check if it's all of them
Yeah.
or if it's just that
Let me
one.
try to contact with it.
Yeah.
Let's see if it works or not. It does
Card
work.
read okay? Oh, connecting again. Yeah. Okay, at least I know it's an issue throughout the whole trip.
Yeah.
Maybe it's distance to the house.
Yay! Thank goodness for that. Sorry about that, but we've been great.
Would you like a receipt?
No, thank you.
Oh, okay, good.
Nice one, but I don't. If I have them, I'll eat them for security purposes.
Hope to see you again.
And you? Well, that went.
that was
journey, wasn't
perfect,
it?
wasn't it? Absolutely lovely.
Right, that was a successful Victoria journey.
Yeah, very much so.
Nice to meet you too as well.
Yes, enjoy. What's your next trip?
I don't know yet. I might have a little think about that one.
Yeah.
But my next tour is the trip to Lowestoft by tornado. And I'm doing Clan Lines tour as well, so. Yeah. Yeah, A1 Pacific one. Right, here we are. Well, it's been not too bad for my self-distance, though, isn't it? I had a whole table to myself, haven't I?
Nice.
Yeah, lucky for me. This is not too bad, but it's getting boring now, isn't it?
Yeah.
I am planning to kill Boris Johnson. Well, everyone, I think there's a big queue wants to kill him, isn't it? I just put my. Well,
Coming out this side.
yeah, I'll let you be the honour. Thank you for the ride. It's been great.
You're welcome. Nice to meet you. Sorry I didn't have time to look at your books this time.
I know, but it's okay. I mean,
Got very busy.
maybe next time we'll be back.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm Joseph, by the way. So, I'm Joseph, by the way.
I'm Fiona.
Nice to meet you, Fiona.
Nice to meet you.
We have a mum called Fiona as well.
Really?
Yeah, I'll do that for you. The top one. There.
Thank you.
Like I'm the tall man, isn't it?
There we go.
Well, that's been a great day. I'm looking forward to getting home now. Because there we are, back at London Victoria. Bye, Fiona. Have a nice day. Well, that was great. Bye, mate. Take care.
Thank you.
See you next time. Oh, fantastic.
How was it?
Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Cheers, mate. Yep. And the form of Union South Africa support coach. You've got the Africa support coach. Thank you very much.